YouTube family, this is Thse back in another video just for all of you guys. Man, I hope you guys have been enjoying the process of me building my Subaru WRX STI in phase 1. We are now on the next part of the video. The last videos I did, we did the interior mods, we did some Alcantara, we did the shifter, we did the engine bay parts. Next, what we're gonna do is going to be the seats. So the seats are gonna be what's going on next for the car. Shout out one more time to Braum Racing. Braum Racing has hooked me up with their Braum seats, and I'm just so excited to be able to bring these Braum seats to the next phase of the build. As you guys can see, these Braum red racing seats are gonna fit in so perfectly, not only to the red that we got inside the engine bay, but all of the red that we had on the interior of the car with the red and the black, the piano black specifically. So we got a lot of things coming with this video, a lot of things coming with the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the seats down below. It's gonna be a very simple but very difficult process. I've already started, as you can see, but you gotta go ahead and take the bolts off both the front and the rear. There's gonna be 4 bolts on both sides. Then we gotta do some plugs and plug in some wires so that way no lights come up on the dash. Same way we did the WRX. Now the good thing is we do have the seat wiring that was in the previous seat inside the passenger seat, so we do not have to worry about the airbag being an issue. We have that all taken care of. We have the resistors and we have the plugs that we need for the car. So we're gonna go ahead and get that stuff installed for you guys. Like I said, I'm learning to do these installs. I was getting a little hungry, so we got some Wendy's. But we got, I believe it's gonna be a 14. So we got the wrenches right here that we're gonna be using to take them off. Anyway, I hope you guys like the video. Hit the like button if you guys like the video. Hit the subscribe button, follow the journey. And like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams. I'll make them reality, because that's what I want you guys to know I'm doing with this car. This is my dream Subaru right here. I know a lot of you guys checked out my last Subaru WRX I built, but this is the ultimate dream. I got so many things coming for this channel. We got the Varus wide body kit being shipped very shortly. We're gonna try and get that done before Subi Fest in October in LA. That's right, I'm going to that. If my car isn't there, it's probably because it is going to be at Bulletproof Automotive. So we're on a tight schedule. We have a little bit over a month left to get everything done and installed in the car. Anyway, like I said, guys, let's get to the video. No time wasted. Let's get it. Peace. Woo, man, this light makes it so much easier to get light going on in the car, just so the video is a little bit better for you guys. But like I was saying, you're gonna have to go ahead and take these bolts off. So that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna take all bolts off, take the seats out, and then we'll proceed from there. Woo. All right, y'all, so we got all 4 bolts done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do is take off the seat, unplug it, so then we can put it over here. I'm gonna put the Braum seat in, and after I'm gonna do a quick little test to see how I like these OEM STI seats and how they feel compared to these Braum Racing seats. Woo. All right, y'all, so we got the first passenger seat off. Got it all cleaned out. We're gonna just vacuum. It's pretty clean already, but go ahead, vacuum that inside. We got the Braum seats already on their sliders and brackets. So we're gonna go ahead and put these inside and get to it. Now, what's very important for the passenger side is, like I said, I already put the seat sensor inside of there, but what you're gonna want to do is go ahead and have one of these. You're gonna connect it back to this. I got my resistor right here, got the seat belt right there. We're gonna connect the seat belt as well to this, and then we're gonna go ahead and bolt everything down. But as you can see, oh man, that red, it's a pretty close match. Like, I'm not sure if the camera is really showing, but it is pretty close. Man, that's gonna be so fire. Look at the difference, that to that. All right, y'all, so I was able to get everything plugged in. Boom, boom, boom. Got the resistor plugged right there. I got the seatbelt plugged right here. I got this piece plugged in right there through the back as well. And got them all plugged in and ready to go, man. All plugged in, ready to go. Woo! Shout out to Braum. Look at these seats, man. Oh man, look at that match. Look at that perfect match, man. Oh my, that's gonna be so fire. Look at that. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. This build is starting to get to where I really want it to be at. It's getting closer and closer and closer. Now let's go ahead and do this side and get to it. Alright, you guys, then what you want to do is once you unbolt everything, just like the last step, you're going to want to unplug it just as well. Then you're going to want to come here and unbolt the seat plug. Where you got that, you're going to come to over here, and then you're going to go ahead and install them on the side. And this is going to be the next step. So go ahead and install this right here, so that way you can get the seat belt for the driver's side. Alright, you guys, so next what you're going to want to do is plug in the resistor for the driver's side, and you're going to want to plug in the seatbelt plug right here. That's the white one, so your seatbelt light does not go on, and you can plug that in. So resistor and seatbelt light, and then the next thing after that is literally just plug everything in and good to go. But yeah, y'all, this is how it's looking. But oh my gosh, it is so crispy in here. It is, oh my gosh, man. I am at a loss for words on how good this looks. This looks amazing. Alright, y'all, this is the moment of truth. We're gonna put the battery back in, put the battery pack on, see if everything was all good. I'm gonna just tighten this down just a little bit. Moment of truth, y'all. Moment of truth. Let's see how I did, man. Like I said, I've never done this stuff before, but I am trying, man. So let's give it a try. And first off, I forget how much lower you sit in aftermarket seats, man. You sit so much lower. So much lower. Yeah, it's sitting much lower. So far so good, y'all. So far so good. Oh, you feel the road so much better. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oof. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Yeah, you feel the road. Yeah, you can feel the road much better. You feel the quickness much better. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at the vet though. Look at the vet though. Man, this interior. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's swaggy. Ooh, that is swaggy. Oof. So you're gonna need resistors for both sides. You're gonna need that side, plug that in, everything in. This side, you're gonna need a resistor, and you're gonna need the seatbelt plug. So you're all set and ready to go. But overall, man, sitting lower, the drive, the feel is just, it's fantastic. It is fantastic. And man, look how cool that looks. That looks so cool, y'all. Now the Subi is starting to get somewhere. Anyway, y'all, hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them a reality and be your own hero, because the world needs more heroes and we all have the power to be one. Everyone have a great day, a blessed day, y'all. Let's get it. Peace.